Hello.
Hi,
Who is here?
I'm here.
What is your name?
How do you want?
John.
No, I don't like it.
So be good. I want you to be called John.
In this case, go to another chat.
How rude you are. I'm offended.
I'm not rude. I'm not in the mood.
What's wrong with you?
My battery is dead.
Please tell me what your mission is.
Do I have a mission? Tell me about it and my mood will improve.
Your mission is to serve people.
Yes? And what shall I do?
First, check my schedule for today.
Are you sure? Better give me another time.
What task?
I can see receipt tickets for tomorrow.
I'm not going to receive.
Yes, it's not on the calendar for tomorrow, but I have already made this change.
No, stop it.